Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the Facebook account that you can access. So if you have an old Facebook account that you cannot log into, you can still delete it permanently using this method that I'm going to show you on this video. So the first method, you can just reset your password and delete the account. If you still can access your email or phone number, you can try resetting your password. So you can just go to the Facebook login page, and then you can just choose to click forgotten password, and you can just enter your email, phone number, or username and follow the instructions to reset your password. And after that, you can just log in and go to settings and just deactivate your Facebook account. And the second method that you can do is report the account as fake, and this is the quickest way. So if you no longer have access to your old account, you can report it as an imposter to get it removed. So you can just go to the old Facebook profile. So in here you can search for your old Facebook profile. So this is just an example. I'm going to just choose one, for example. Okay, let's say this is my old Facebook account. So you can just click this three dots icon and choose to report profile, and then click on something about this profile, and then you can just tap on this fake account options and click on submit. And after that, you can just wait because it takes a few days to Facebook to process the request. And the next method, you can just request Facebook to delete the account manually. So if you lost access to your old email and password, you can request Facebook to delete your account manually by going to the Facebook Help Center and search for request account deletions. So this is the Facebook Help Center. You can just find the options in here. For example, let's just find it, request Facebook deletion. You can just find this, and after that you can fill out the form with your old account details and attach proof of identity, such as ID, password, or driver's license, and submit the request and wait for Facebook to verify and delete the account. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.